In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Cross-references are a powerful way to point readers to other parts of your document, like a specific heading, figure, table, or a bookmarked section, without typing those details manually. The best part is, they're dynamic, so if your content moves or renumbers, the reference stays accurate. To get started, place your cursor exactly where you want the cross-reference to appear. Think about the sentence you're building. Maybe it's see figure 2, or refer to the introduction on page 3. Positioning the cursor now ensures the reference lands in just the right spot and flows with your text. Next, go to the References tab at the top of Word. In the Captions group, click Cross-Reference. This opens a dialog box that controls what you're linking to and how it will appear. At the top of that dialog, choose what kind of content you want to reference from the Reference Type drop-down. You can select options like heading, figure, table, or bookmark. Pick the type that matches your target. For example, if you've applied built-in heading styles, choose Heading. If you inserted captions for visuals, choose Figure or Table. And if you created a custom bookmark, choose Bookmark. Once you pick the type, a list will appear showing all the available items of that kind in your document. Select the specific item you want to reference. Take a moment to double-check that you're picking the right one, especially if you have many similar headings or figures. Now choose what you want to insert. The Insert Reference to drop-down lets you decide the format. Only label and number inserts something like Figure 2. Entire caption brings in the full caption text, which can be helpful for clarity. Page number inserts just the page where the item appears, perfect for phrases like, see page 12. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your sentence. When everything looks good, click Insert, then close the dialog box. You'll see the cross-reference appear right where your cursor was. You can keep typing around it, add punctuation, or adjust the surrounding sentence to make it read naturally. A quick tip for peace of mind: cross-references are linked to their targets, so if your document changes, the reference stays tied to the correct item. This makes them much more reliable than typing references by hand, and that's all it takes to insert a clean, professional cross-reference in your document.